Good afternoon, friends. I'm Reverend Kyra Baehr with Unity Bay Area, Houston. And behind me right now is the new entrance into our labyrinth that's being built and created that will be magnificent when it's done. But in the construction period, it looks a little awkward and unfinished, of course, and pretty complex. And one of the things I know that as we start to work with Unity principles and ground them into our being, the one for this week, which is in our series on Unity Roots and Wings, is that prayer and meditation create our connection to the infinite. We're talking eternal connections, that as we become, gifted at prayer or comfortable with our prayer process, our meditation process, what occurs for us is we create these eternal connections. We create an opening into the portal of this connectedness that goes on and on and on. And it always takes us to the center, just like a labyrinth always moves you to the center where you find that union with the divine. And then it brings us back out to bring what we have gained from our meditation and prayer practice to be a living presence out here in the world. But at first, when we're learning how to have those eternal connections, how to open the portal into the divine through prayer and meditation, we may actually experience it feeling kind of awkward like this, that we're trying to construct something in the silence or in listening to the still small voice that we don't quite have a comprehension of yet. And it hasn't quite been solidified in us, and so that we slip in with a solemnity and a reverence that is easy and grace-filled for us. Yet as it gets built, as it gets into place and we get used to walking through that portal opening into that divine, having that connection to the infinite through prayer and meditation, then it becomes something of beauty and magnificence and inspiration. And we are grateful to easily slip in to those eternal connections. Come find out more this Sunday at Unity Bay Area, Houston. I look forward to seeing you then. Maybe construction will be complete, but if not, we know it's part of the process. God bless you, friends. 10:30 Sunday morning. Come join us.